Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the billing section of Pinterest ads platform, how you can use that section as well. So once you're in the ads account, we can go to the billing section under manage business. And this is where you will get to see all the billing related information of your account. So the first is payment settings, where you can see the ad account information, payment methods being added over here. And if you want to add new payment methods, you can do it from here. If you want to remove the current one, you can delete it as well right here. Plus, there is going to be billing history, which is where you can see the payments done in the past. Okay, so all that will be here. Bills, the invoices for all the monthly ads expenses will be listed down in this section. Third is promotions, where any type of promotional coupon codes which have been applied or which you can use, you can apply them here, and then you will get some ad credits which you can use for advertising purposes. So this is going to be the billing section of Pinterest ads platform, which you can use. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.